and I'm going to do a review of my project for the CS 4521 Mobile and Web Development class. This is for project number 1. My app name is SmartCloset, and the general purpose of it is to generate outfits for the user with photos that they have uploaded into the app. The current status is that it's mostly working. I did not implement the weather feature to recommend outfits based on the weather, and I did not implement the calendar events feature to recommend outfits based on an event. There are a couple of known bugs. If a picture is taken in portrait mode and saved, then there's a 90-degree rotation to the left. And if images are saved in landscape mode, the app crashes. I haven't been able to determine why. I'm just going to go ahead and review the initial proposal of the app. Here in the concept summary, you can see that I was going to have categories that the user can assign to their clothing, but once I began implementing the application, then I realized that it didn't really make much sense why I wanted to do that to begin with. I did go ahead and keep the like or dislike feature, which allows the user to identify an outfit that they want to keep for a later view, or dislike, which means that the outfit is just discarded. The intended audience is an age group from 14 to 29, and I'm targeting both the fashionistas and those that need a little bit of help with their wardrobe. The application cost was initially set to $2.99, but after discussion with the class, I've decided to bring that down to 99 cents. And the success of the app is going to come hopefully from users telling their friends that it's a simple app to use to generate outfits for them. Down here we have the interface mockups, and while my app doesn't look exactly like this, it really did help to get a general idea as to what I was doing once I was coding the application inside of Eclipse. So the use case, as mentioned before, is going to allow the user to generate outfits. They begin with either registering or logging in. Sorry about that. The user can like or dislike, as I've mentioned, and they can scroll through. Initially, I was going to make the application allow them to scroll through the tops and the bottoms individually, but in the actual implementation of it, they can only swipe through the actual outfit. Yeah. So these were the references that I had, and the device sensor processing that I said I was going to use was the camera. And in fact, I am using the camera, and it mostly works. It, however, does crash in these two scenarios. I'm sorry, it crashes under this scenario, but a funky bug is the image is rotated 90 degrees to the left. Also, I should mention that I did not use the GPS to find location of nearby shops where the individual can purchase more clothing. Again, I think just because I underestimated how much work goes into the app, and there was no way that I was going to have time to include that. But the general purpose of my app was to use the camera more so than it was the GPS. But this can be a future feature for sure. And now I'm going to go ahead and switch over and show you guys the app. Hey guys, so welcome back. Demoing my app on my device here. So let me set this down. Sorry, this is going to be a little strange with the secondary camera. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Luckily there's my email, and my password is my dog's name. So now we are going to log in. So there is an outfit, and if I go to the right, I can see another outfit, and so on. So up here, this is the like on the right and the dislike on the left. Let's go ahead and I'm going to like this one, but just to show you for the record that in my likes, oops, sorry guys, I'm not left-handed. So this is an outfit that I liked earlier. There's another outfit that I liked, and you'll see there's only 2 of them right now. So we're going to go back into my closet and let's find the one that I said that I was going to like. Let's say this one. Let's say I like this one. There's a little toast on the bottom there. I don't know if you saw it, but it was liked. So now if I go into my likes, there it is. It's been added. So now I should have 3. 1, 2, 3 outfits. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you disliking. So let's say I don't like this one. Oops, let's scroll through. And I think it should remove it once I return. Oh, it's still there. Okay, so there may be a bug. But it may actually work, but I might have to sign out and sign back in for it to register that I've disliked it and I want it to go away. So we're going to add a top. And I'll get in a little closer so you can see the UI. If you look at the tops, and then if you look at the bottoms, I decided to just reuse the same code because really I'm using the same exact logic, except one article is a top, one article is a bottom. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and add a new top. So there we are. So I'm going to hit the plus sign, and we're going to touch here, and that brings up the camera. So as I mentioned earlier, my app crashes if I save it in landscape, and if I take it in portrait, it will turn out sideways. So let's take this image in landscape, and now I have to save it in portrait, otherwise it's going to crash. There it is. So you just go ahead and enter a generic description. Sorry about that. And that's fine. Let's save that. So there's my generic top that I've just added. And now I'm going to set this back down. If we go back in here to my closet, I should somewhere see, there it is. There's my new top that we just added. And I think now, since we've gone back into the my closet area, that outfit that I had disliked, I think should have gone away. And it looks like it did. In case you don't remember, it was the green striped sweater that I had disliked. So now you don't see it anymore. And that's my app. Thanks, guys.